Everything is absolutely uniform. So to me, this looks like a stock write-off. So what is the material here? So I need to have a good look. I can't assume anything. And I'm gonna tear a bit, and by the way that the material tears, I will be able to assess what the material is. If it tears cleanly, that you can see it's doing there with it, it's not tugging, it's not pulling, then I know that that is going to be PP. If it is more jagged, if I can feel it stopping as I tear it, then that's going to be possibly PET. It could be a laminate, so I would be cutting it and stretching it to see if there's 2 layers there, and there's not here. That's a 1-layer film. It's a 1-layer PP film. These things are rarely going to be identified with the polymer type, and even if they are, they're not always accurate. If necessary, I'll be sending samples away to be tested.